Hi students, welcome to this course, PLC Automation, an introduction to programmable logic controller. I am Professor Yao. The not equal to compare function. The keywords not equal to is programming. An input count. In the example, the output is to be on except when an input count is exact 87. The input count is tracked in input register 62. Operand 2 can be programmed as the number 87. It could also be programmed as register. Holding register 183. The number 83 would then be inserted into holding register 183. Figure 12.4 shows its programming. This picture shows not equal to compare functions. Direct functions and the derived functions. The greater than or equal to compare function. The keywords. An automatic pill bottle filling. Two possible bottle size. Proper filling. A cap and remove operation. Enable is continuous post. Greater than or equal to compare function. An automatic pill bottle filling operation has two possible bottle size. One bottle is to be filled to a count of 225 or more. The other is have 475 or more. The appropriate minimum number of pills for proper filling, 225 or 475, is inserted into holding register 128. For a small bottle, the 225 limit is put into holding register 128. For a large bottle, 475 would be entered into holding register 128. The pill count is fed from an input to input register 142 as the bottle is filled. Figure 12.5 shows the PLC function to control the pill count. As the bottle starts filling, enable is continuous post. The comparison is untrue and output control relay 30 is off. Once the pill count reaches 225 for the small bottle, control relay 30 goes on. Output control 30 is connected to a cap and remove operation. The bottle is capped and removed, and the process is reset and can be repeated. The same sequence would be carried out for the large bottle with the holding register 128 set at 475. Why not use an equal to function for example 12.3? Equal would probably work, but what if the process overshoot? Suppose the count somehow go to 226 for the small bottle. The fill will go on unabated. If the count go to 226 or 476 for the large size, however, the field process would not erroneously continue if you use the GE function. This picture shows greater than or equal to compare function. The less than compare function, the keywords, a production line, an assembly, reset to zero system, the comparison portion, defeat count, the allowable hourly number of defeats. Complete assembly flows off a production line as illustrated in figure 12.6. If an assembly is removed for rework somewhere along the line, the part to be reworked is automatically counted. If there are more than 18 assemblies removed in an hour, the light in the foreman's office is to turn off. If there are fewer than 19 rejects per hour, the light will remain on. The required hourly reset to zero system is not shown. The only part of this program that is shown is the comparison portion. The defect count is kept in holding register 63, operand 1. The allowable hourly number of defects, 18, is inserted as operand 2. Since the allowable hourly number of defects is 18, 19 is inserted as operand 2. This picture shows less than compare function. The greater than compare function. The keywords, greater than compare function, the equal function, the greater than equal function, the indicator ladder line is illustrated in figure 12.7. Two comparison functions are required for this example. The production operation requires a count greater than 348 for the output to turn on. The number 348 is inserted as operand 2 in both functions. For a count of 347, the equal function keeps the output off. Below a count 349, the greater than equal function keeps the output off. For 349 or more, the output is on, as both contacts will be closed for the indicator ladder line. This example is illustrated in figure 12.7. This picture shows greater than compare function. Homework: handwriting of keywords and submitting them to Coach Facebook. Just do the online quiz and see you next time.